Fixed up a bunch of vacuum leaks, put stuff back together. Just started it up about 1 minute ago. Went inside, got the camera. Started off idling at about 1200. And you can see on the lower left, wait a minute, you can see on the big gauge there, we're at about 14. Like I said, this is my first time since I redid my head gasket leak caused by chroming ridges. So let's see if she will accept throttle. Okay, I'm still hearing a high-pitched whistle, which is probably a vacuum leak, but it does appear to that transition from idle circuit to run's a little rough. But this is the best she's run so far, so we shall see.